Hello, welcome back to Mechanical Engineering Design. In this tutorial we are going to design a coil spring with hooks at the ends. As you can see, this is front view, this is right plane, and this is isometric view. So let's get started. We shall make our sketch from top plane, pick circle, specify smart dimension, diameter of 10 millimeters. Then we'll exit and go to features. On curves we'll select helix. Now on front view, like this. Revolutions, we'll keep 45 revolutions. And then on pitch we'll keep it at 1 millimeter. And then okay, like this. We'll go directly to sweep, and on sweep the first option is sketch profile and the second option is circular profile. So we'll select circular profile, and then diameter of the profile 0.9 millimeters. Circular very thin wire, and on the profile itself we'll select helix like this. Now see what we got. Now the next sketch we'll do it on front plane. Just click on front plane, sketch. We'll pick center point arc, first option. So our center is here. And then identify the center of this spring like this center point like this. Now smart dimension from this center, this point, this height is 50 millimeters. Then we give relations, this point and this point, vertical relations. Now the next part we'll have to dimension this angle. Click on this point and this point, then drag like this. We'll give an angle of 75 degrees. Now sketch is fully defined. We go to features and then sweep boss. Now profile will be circular profile of diameter 0.9 millimeters. Then path be this one. Okay, see, we'll repeat the same thing on front plane, sketch, but this time the curve will be opposite. So we'll pick center point arc, this point, center, then we'll rotate like this. Smart dimension from this point here is 5 millimeters. Then we'll have an angle here 75. We give relations from this point to this point, vertical relations. Sketch is fully defined. So you go to features and then sweep. Circular profile, diameter 0.9, and then profile path, this one, then okay. This part is done. See, now this is an open profile. We need to close here. So for us to close, we'll have to sketch this plane, and we'll pick point. Just click on point, then identify center, which is here like that, and then okay. Exit. The same thing on this other side. Click on this face, sketch, click on point, identify center point, which is here like that, and then okay. Exit. We'll go to the next step, features, and then reference geometry, select plane. Now our first reference will be top plane, and on top plane we'll give parallel relations like that. Now on second reference, you see the initial point we had picked here. Just click like that. Now we need to reverse this arrow, so click on flip normal, and you see the plane is fully defined. So click OK. Now sketch on this plane. This time we'll pick 3-point arc because we want to start from this point and this point, and then like this. Smart dimension, radius of 2.5 millimeters, and it's fully defined. We click on this plane and then hide like this. So when done, we proceed to features, then sweep. We'll select circular profile, diameter of 0.9, the same as the spring itself, and on path we'll select this path. See what comes out. Very perfect. The same will be done on this other side. So we'll go to features, then reference geometry, and select plane. Our first reference will be top plane. We select parallel relations, and then on second reference we rotate, then we identify this point. See, it's fully defined. Okay, now select on this plane and sketch. You see, it needs to come on this side, so make it normal. We pick on 3-point arc from this origin to this one, then direction is this side. Smart dimension, radius of 2.5. Okay, proceed to features and then sweep. Select circular profile, diameter of 0.9, and we'll select profile as this one. Okay, select on this plane, plane 2, then hide. See what you got. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification so that you don't miss my next upload. See you soon.